Welcome to the kitchen. Ignore this. This is for the recycling. I don't know why I told you that. Today we're going to be making a meal. Welcome to the first episode of a one-off. I'm not doing this again. It's called Cooking with Me, Billy. And today we're going to make the best meal that you can. It's perfect for breakfast. It's perfect for lunch. It's perfect for, like, the evening meal. I don't know, whatever you call it. I call it tea, but I call everything tea, let's face it. Or dinner. It doesn't matter. Who cares? Who cares? Not me, I don't. So, you've seen the title, you know what it is. It is a toast sandwich. What ingredients will you need? First of all, you will need... Do we not have any bread? My video is foiled. We only have 2 slices. No! What? What? This is impossible. No. Oh, good. We have a whole other thing. Oh, thank God. Okay. Alright, well, that's one. And the only thing left is the crust. Who wants the crust? Who even cares about crust? This freezer, I swear to God, I'm gonna kill it someday. Someday, this freezer will go and die, and it will be by my hand. And it's not proper bread, that's like, got raisins in it. Ah! This is a disaster. How? What? No, that was all in there like 10 seconds ago, and now it just won't fit. Oh well. Alright, I'll sort that out later. For now, I'm making a toast sandwich. That's all I need. Not the bloody crust! I don't need the bloody crust! No one cares about the bloody crust! No one, not one person. Let me know in the comments if you care about the crust. No one cares about the crust. No one. Literally no one. Not one person. I swear to God. No one cares about the stupid ass crust. Okay. What the piss? What the piss? No, this isn't how physics works. I swear to God. Okay, there we go. Right, and then it's this. Where did this come from? That wasn't there a minute. What the f... Now, originally I was going to do a cool editing thing. Wow, how? What? This isn't... That's not how physics works. That literally isn't how physics works. How can something be in there 1 second and then doesn't fit the next? This doesn't make any sense. None at all. Whoever designed this, whoever designed freezers, needs to get their act together, mate. Because this is absurd. Come on. I don't think it fits, but you know, it'll have to do. 3 slices of bread. That's very important. You have 3. Okay. 3 slices of bread. What are we going to do with those 3 slices of bread, you ask? Well, I don't quite know yet. I guess I have to toast them. I've only used this toaster once. I know, I burnt everything, because I don't know how it works. It's a new toaster, it's too good, it burns everything. Let's put it in there, and let's put this in there. Okay, right, so there is a defrost setting, but the last 2 times I've used that, it's gone crap. So... Hold on, stay down. What the... Is it plugged in? I don't think it's plugged in. What about now? It worked. Where's the defrost? Okay, right, and now we wait. I don't know how long. So, they are just going to be our bread. This bad boy is going to be the toasted part. So this we just need to melt. We don't need it to be toasted at all. We just need it to not be frozen anymore, which is why it is the defrost setting. So yeah. Hey, now that worked! And now we have some defrosted bread. Oh, I'm unreasonably happy about this. Okay. Next up, we need to toast stuff. So, this is the toasted bit, and I know that because it's still frozen. Whereas these 2 are not, so I'm going to let these cool down a bit, because you know, we don't want them to be too hot. How does this not fit? Is this a different kind of bread? What? It literally doesn't fit in the toaster. Okay, I guess I'll have to do it like that and just kind of hope for the best. And now we wait, I don't know for how long, I guess just until I see fit. You know, it'd be really weird if my parents were to come home and they'd be like, what are you doing? I'm like, well, I'm making a toast sandwich and upload it to YouTube. They'd be like, what? I'm like, yeah, it's gonna be a great video, I promise. Ah! This is perfectly defrosted! Why? Why is there a defrost setting? When that is... So... Why? It's fun. It's a fun time. You're gonna ah. That one was less dramatic. That'll do. So because the red was too big, we currently have that kind of thing going on both sides. Personally, I would prefer it to be a little more toasted than this. Specifically on this side, because this side was, I guess, closer to the... But it's fine. If I put it in again, it's probably going to burn, and I'd rather have it like that than burn, so... Okay. Here's the important part, right? I don't like much butter. You can put on as much butter as you want. I'm only going to put a little bit on, but, you know... This part is entirely up to your discretion. If you like a lot of butter on your toast, put a lot of butter on your toast. If you don't like a lot of butter on your toast, don't bother doing that. That's not a knife, that's a spoon. Oh yeah. Oh, I'll get into all those nooks and crannies. There you go. Okay, there's quite a lot of butter there. Let's spread that out there. All over there. Just like that. Just the way we like it. There, the butter's on. Okay. So now we have the bread, we have the toast. All that's left now is, I'd argue, the most important part, because at the minute that's boring, it's just 3 pieces of bread. You don't want that. This is the part that turns it into a meal for one. You need your seasonings. And what better seasonings than salt and pepper? Salt and pepper, you gotta put it on every meal. Apart from salt, I'm gonna not put salt on it. I'm gonna put salt there, just in case you want it. If you like salty bread, if you want salt, put salt on it. I'm only gonna use pepper. I don't know how much, because I've never done this before. Let's only put a little bit. That's probably not enough. And then, you put the bread, one of the slices, on top of that. And you put another slice, like that, like that. So now, this is your toast sandwich. I'm going to, am I going to cut? Yeah, I'm going to cut it in half. What knife should I use? There's this one, a bit small. That one's a bit big. That one's so big I can't even get out. That one's perforated. That's a bread knife. I should use a bread knife. There we have the toast sandwich. I will now eat the toast sandwich. I shall bend down a bit like that, so now you can see me. Okay, are you ready to... Let's taste the toast sandwich, shall we? It's very dry. Maybe I should put more butter on it. That bit wasn't bad. Okay. So, conclusion. It's a bit dry. Probably needs a drink to go with it, but can't necessarily think of what drink I should have with it. Curious. Well, there we have it. Toast sandwich. Toast sandwich. In fact, 2 of them. Congratulations, if you followed along with this tutorial, you just got yourself a toast sandwich. So, eat that, have a drink of tea or water, either one. Probably put more butter on it than I did, because that's, you know, very dry. And, I don't really have an outro.